This is a review of this folding hand truck, and the brand did send me a free one so I can check it out and create a review video for you today. So I wanted to show you just how well this thing works. Now, before we take it outside and throw some bricks on it, I wanted to quickly run through some of the features. Now, the first thing you're gonna notice, it's lightweight and compact. So this can easily store in your garage. The next thing you're gonna notice is down here. It's got 6 wheels, so that gives it the capacity to hold a lot of weight. The wheels back here are lockable. Now, to use this thing, it's quite simple. You simply unfold here, bring this down, pull over here, bring it up. Now let's take it outside and demonstrate how well it works. You can see, even with all these bricks on it, how easily it is to move around and how well it transports heavy items. And I would highly recommend this for anyone who wants an easy to store hand truck for occasions where they need to drag some heavy items.